Hello beauties, welcome back again to another video. Hope you're doing well. My name is Cynthia. If you're coming across my video for the first time, you're welcome. And to my returning subscribers, I love you guys. In today's video, we're going to be recreating this one shoulder dress with ostrich feather. So here I have my fabric. I have 2.5 yards of crepe fabric, and this is 12 yards of net fabric. The one in the picture, they used ostrich feather. The ostrich feather I have will not be enough, so I decided to use net fabric. So we'll go ahead and fold that fabric. 2 yards will be enough for this kind of style. It depends on how big or how deep you want it. So I'll fold my fabric into two. This is the length measurement. This is by meter. I'm folding it by meter. I folded it this way. This side is open and then this side is a folded edge. I will place my measurement right on this folded edge. My dress length is 60 inches. I will start the measurement right from here. I'll mark 8 inches right here. So this 8 inches is just the shoulder measurement. I will go to the side, that's the folded edge, and mark 13 inches. So how did I get 13 inches? Measure it like this, right from the shoulder here. You take it across like so. Mine is 13 inches. So I will connect this 8 inches to this 13 inches. This 8 inches here is the shoulder measurement. I just place it as shoulder measurement. This will create the one shoulder effect. I will go ahead and connect it. And connect it like so. You know, it's difficult working with crepe fabric. I just need to pin it down. So the wideness here, like the shoulder part, is 42 inches. So 42 inches is for the front and 42 inches is for the back. Remember, I just folded into two. And right from here, I will go down by 1.5 inches. That's my shoulder slope. I will connect the shoulder slope like so. Connect it to meet this 8 inches, the shoulder measurement. I will make a curve here, right from here. I will go down. Curve it like so. I'll just make a slight curve at the bottom here, just to have that curve effect or flared effect. This is the line. And we go ahead and cut it out. So I will cut this side out and cut the shoulder slope. That's just it for the cutting. So I will go ahead and use a bias tape to hem the neckline. I'll open it up and hem the neckline. Then use 1/2 inch to stitch the shoulder here. I'm cutting out 6 inches for the net length. I will cut as much as I want because I'll be cutting out many ruffles. So guys, I've cut out the net. I cut out about 8 yards, 6 inches. So I will use my gather stitch to gather the midpoint here. I will gather everything. And for the dress, I've used bias tape to hem the neckline. I stitched the shoulder. I've also hemmed the side. I use 1 inch to hem the side. I hem it all the way to the lower part. I'll go ahead and make the ruffles. So guys, I'm done making the ruffles. I gather it up to the measurement of this side. So I have 2 here. I'll be making 2 on each side. Before I attach the ruffles, I will shaping up the dress. Shoulder to bust measurement is 11 inches. I'll mark 11.5 inches. I'll come down half inch from the bust line. I will mark 17.5 inches for the waistline. I don't want the chalk to mark too much. I'll make a broken line here. And from the waist to the hip is 9 inches. I'll still make a broken line here. I'll divide all the measurement by 2. The bust measurement is 40, divided by 2 is 20 inches. So I will add half inch for ease. That's 20.5 inches. So I will go to the waistline and place half of the waist measurement. The waist measurement is 34 inches, divided by 2 is 17 inches. I will add half inch also for ease. That's 17.5 inches. I'll do the same thing for the hip line. Half of the hip measurement is 22.5 inches. The hip is a little bit free. I will add 1 inch for ease. Mark 23.5 inches there, so I will connect the lines. I don't want it to show that much. From the hip, I will take it all the way to the lower part, but I will make it like a line. So I will stitch it right on this right side, from the bust measurement to the waist to the hip, and I will bring it down to the lower part like a line. After I've done that, I will attach my ruffles. I will attach my ruffles here. I will open it up like so. I will be making 2 on each side. I will open it up, stitch on the middle part. In the first stitch I made, I will stitch on the middle part. It's like so. After I finish stitching the first one, I will take the second one. I will just push this to this side. I will go inside by 1 inch. Then stitch the second one also round. I will stitch it round. Guys, I'm done attaching the ruffles to the dress. So this is where I'm shaping it. I didn't stitch it all the way to the length of the dress. I stitch it up to here, about 6 inches above the length. This side is open. So this is the ruffles. This is the first one. And this is the 1 inch gap between the first and the second one. I didn't join the ruffles. When I get to the end, I stitch the remaining one on top. This is really beautiful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.